Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, we're having as much fun as watching paint dry at the moment with this. Nothing really happened yesterday, big up, big down, and sideways. So, it's going to go straight down to the lower time frames. You can see we got going, we came back, attempted to close that gap. I think that's one thing we need to put in there. There is the pullback, there's a gap. Don't trust that structure because when you look at it on the lower time frames, you're going to see, well, low time frames will close, but the high time frames is not really a gap close. So for me at the moment, series of higher lows, series of lower highs. That is a triangle. We've got structure here. We are in a bearish trend, to be quite honest. I mean, we are below the moving averages and the oscillators have crossed over and pointing down. So very possible that we have continuation here. But if you take this on the 15 minutes, which is what you should be doing today, above and below the moving averages triangle, it's really nothing that you want to be trading. So I would be very wary of the highs and lows of yesterday. First step, so that high there, break of that, I would expect a bigger move to the upside. If you just look at that on the hour, you can see some structure there, you can see some structure to the downside here. So that is a range. Triangle, we're not quite in the middle of the range, but we're definitely sort of consolidating inside the range. So yeah, anything could happen. There's probably some kind of catalyst that we are missing. At the moment, we are below the moving averages. We have a gap down. I don't trust it, guys. So I am quite honestly just going to sit quietly and wait. We need to see a break above the highs or the lows of yesterday before we can get into any kind of a decision of which way this is going to go. So for now, we are ranging. We're above and below the moving averages, which is dangerous. It's not something you want to trade. So I will be sitting quietly on the sidelines and wait for better days. So hope it helps you, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.